Hello friends, today we are going to start with our new topic which is coding and decoding. Now in this topic there are basically 5 patterns. First pattern would be vowel and consonant pattern, second pattern would be repetition pattern, third would be addition and subtraction pattern, fourth would be multiplication pattern, and the last pattern is opposite pattern. Before starting this topic, you should at least learn at which place which alphabet comes. For example, A comes at the first place and Z comes at the 26th place. So if somebody asks you at which place P comes, you should immediately know that P comes at 16th. Now, how would you conclude that? For this, there is an important word which is Ejoti, E-J-O-T-Y. Now, why this word is the key word here is because E comes at the 5th place, J at the 10th place, O at the 15th, T at the 20th and Y at the 25th. For example, if I am asking you at which place P comes, as we already know that O comes at 15th place and hence we can say that P would be coming at the 16th place. For example, if I ask you at which place S comes, now you know that T comes at 20th place and we know S and T. S comes before T and hence S comes at 19th place. Now let's start with the first pattern which is vowel and consonant pattern. Now in this pattern, questions will be like these. For example, if the word is platinum, P-L-A-T-I-N-U-M, and the code for the word is A-I-U-P-L-T-N-M. Now this is a very basic question for this pattern. Now what we are doing in this pattern is we are using vowels and consonants. Now if you could see that A is the vowel over here, I is the vowel and U is the vowel. So what we have done is we have used A, I, U which are vowels, and then we are using consonants which are P, L, T and M. So this is our first question. Now there will be another questions like these. For example, if the word is advantage, A-D-V-A-N-T-A-G-E, and the code for the word advantage is E-F-W-E-P-V-E-H-I. Now it's a little bit difficult question compared to last one. Now what we are doing over here, we are using the code EFWEPVHI for the word advantage. If you could see, there are 3 A's in the word advantage, and what we are doing is we are using the code E for all these A's. Now what we are doing is we are using vowel for the next vowel and we are using consonant for the next consonant. For example, after A the next vowel is E, after E the next vowel would be I, after I the next vowel would be O, and after O the next vowel would be U. So we are using E for A. So after A we are using E, for A again we are using E, for A again we are using E, and for E we are using I because I is the next vowel after E. So what we are doing is we are using next vowel after a vowel and next consonant after another consonant. For example, here it is D. D is a consonant. Now after D comes E, but E is a vowel. So what we are doing is we are using the next consonant which is F. After V comes W which is the next consonant. After N comes O, but O is a vowel and hence we are using P. So this is our first pattern which is vowel and consonant pattern. Now let's start with our second pattern which is repetition pattern. In this pattern you will see questions like these. For example, if the word is sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, and the code for the word sphere is E-R-E-H-P-S. Now in this repetition pattern we are using the same words which we have used in the word sphere, which is S-P-H-E-R-E. What we have done over here is we have just reversed the order of the word sphere. We have used S at the first place here, and here we have used S at the last place. The next word would be P, then H-E-R-E, and hence it is our first word. Now in second word, for example, if the word is player, the code for the word player is A-E-L-P-R-Y. Again, it's an example of repetition pattern because we are using the same words P-L-A-Y-E-R. Now what we have done over here is we are using the words in an alphabetical order. First we have used A because A comes alphabetically first, then we have used E because after A in this word comes E, then we have used L, then P, then R and then Y. There will be another question in this pattern. For example, if the word is registration, R-E-G-I-S, T-R-A-T-I-O-N, and the code for the word registration is TSIGERNOITAR. Now in this word what we have done is we have split this word into two parts. First is regist and the second is ration. So this is the regist part and the second is the ration part. So these are the examples of repetition pattern. Continuing with the next pattern, which is addition and subtraction pattern. Now in this pattern you will see questions like these. For example, if the word is India, INDIA, and the code for the word India is JOEJB. Now to solve this question, we'll have to use the concept of the word EJOTY, which is EJOTY. Now to do this question, you need to remember that I comes at the 9th place, N comes at the 14th place, D at the 4th place, I again at 9th, A at 1st place. And to see the corresponding codes for the word India, we can see that J comes at the 10th place, O at the 15th, E at 5, J again at 10, and B at 2nd. If you could see clearly, what we are doing is we are adding word to the every corresponding code. For example, here 9 plus 1 would be 10. For example, here 14 plus 1 would be 15. 4 plus 1 would be 5, and hence 1 plus 1 would be 2. So what we are doing is we are adding 1 to the next number. This is an example of addition pattern. Now our second example would be if the word is search, SEARCH, and the code for the word search is IDSBFT. Now if you could see clearly, the code for the word search is IDSBFT. Now we know that after S comes T, after E comes F, after A comes B. So what we are doing is we are adding in reverse order here. So we are following reverse pattern, but the pattern is same, either addition or subtraction. Continuing with the next pattern, which is multiplication pattern. In this pattern you will see question like these. For example, if the word is mirage, MIRAGE, and the code for the word mirage is ZRJ, B and J. Again, using our EJOTY pattern, which is EJO, easily guess that M comes at the 13th place, I comes at the 9th place, R comes at the 18th place, A at 1st place, G at 7th place, and E at 5th place. Again, we'll see the corresponding codes for the word mirage. Again, as we all know that Z comes at the 26th place, R at the 18th place, J at 10th place, B at 2nd place, N at 14th place, and J at 10th place. Now we'll need to see the corresponding codes for the word mirage. Now we know that M comes at 13th place and Z comes at 26th place. So here we could see that we are multiplying 13 by 2 and hence we are getting 26. Again you could see that the code for the word I will be R. Now we know I comes at 9th place and R comes at 18th place. Again what we are doing is we are multiplying by 2. Now here comes a tricky part. As we know that R comes at 18th place and the code for the word R is J. Now 18 multiplied by 2 would be 36 and the code for the word R is J. So how could you come to that? Now what we need to do is we know that till 26th place comes Z. Now we need to add 10 more to Z, and adding 10 more will get our J because J comes at the 10th place. Hence the code for the word J would be 10. So this is our multiplication pattern. Now continuing with the last pattern, which is opposite pattern. In this pattern you will see question like this. For example, if the word is symphony, SYMPHONY, and the code for the word symphony is HBNKSLMB. Now this pattern is opposite pattern. Here you could see there are two Y's and the code for these two Y's is B. Now the pattern here is the opposite of A would be Z, opposite of B would be Y. Now this is the most difficult pattern as it is very difficult to gauge what would be the opposite of S. So for this what you need to do is you need to write ABCD till Z. You need to write the left over ABCD in opposite pattern. Now you could see the opposite of S is H and here the code for S is H. The opposite of Y is B and here the code of Y is B. The opposite of M is N. So similarly, we can do the question using this code. Now we are done with this topic, coding and decoding. In case you have any doubt, do write it in the comment section below. And for more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.